Welcome to our Travel Payouts 101 series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll cover all the resources Travel Payouts provides to help you grow your affiliate business. Affiliate marketing may be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. Don't worry though. At Travel Payouts, we do our best to support you during every step of your affiliate journey. In this tutorial, we'll go over all the Travel Payouts resources designed to help you succeed in travel affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. If you're new to Travel Payouts and not sure where to start, watch our on-demand product demo. It'll walk you through the basics of Travel Payouts and explain how we can help you monetize your projects. How can you access the demo? It's simple. Just click Watch a Demo on Travelpayouts.com. Got a question about working with Travel Payouts? Visit our Help Center to get quick answers to the most common questions, browse a wide collection of articles and how-tos, and troubleshoot issues. To access our Help Center, just click Help at the top of your dashboard. If you need more structured guidance, the Travel Payouts Academy is your go-to resource. It offers courses and video tutorials that will equip you with all the skills and knowledge you need to stay on top of the affiliate marketing game. Check it out. Next up is the Travel Payouts Blog. Here, you can find a plethora of expert tips and hacks, actionable guides, case studies, and travel industry trends. Also, you can subscribe to our newsletter to get our latest updates and hands-on marketing tips delivered straight to your inbox. If social media is more your speed, you can get affiliate marketing insights and Travel Payouts' latest news on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Last but not least, our support team is always here to help you. To connect with us, just click the Need Help button in the bottom right corner of your dashboard or email us at support@travelpayouts.com. Let's do a quick recap. Travel Payouts provides a lot of resources to help your business grow, including an on-demand product demo, a help center, Travel Payouts Academy, our blog, tips straight into your inbox with our newsletter, social media, a YouTube channel, and a dedicated support team that you can reach via email or chat. In the next tutorial, we'll go over advanced Travel Payouts tools designed to take your affiliate campaigns to the next level. Now, take a moment and explore all the Travel Payouts resources. Good luck and see you soon!